Hello everyone, it's Katie and today I'm going to be participating in Snaplook's October challenge. So this month's challenge is going to be Halloween outfits from movies or TV shows. So I picked a couple favorites out that I want to show you guys. Snaplook is a fashion app where they challenge you to go outside of your comfort zone and styles. I definitely think this is a really fun app. You basically can post your photos of your outfits and then you can go and search other people's outfits and vote on their posts. It's really fun and they have a lot of challenges each month, so definitely go check that out.
Getting there, trusting me, letting go, feel the sound, giving up, I'm falling down, climbing up, wait for me, getting there, trusting me, letting go, feel the sound, giving up, I'm falling down, climbing up, wait for me. Getting there, trusting me, letting go, feel the sound, giving up, I'm falling down. The clock keeps ticking and the time flies by. I keep thinking that I won't survive. Why do you want let me drown? Still my mind's falling down. Climbing up, wait for me, getting there, trusting me, letting go, feel the sound, giving up, I'm falling down. Climbing up, wait for me, getting there, trusting me, letting go, feel the sound, giving up, I'm falling down. Climbing up, wait for me, getting there, trusting me, letting go, feel the sound, giving up, I'm falling down.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you thought in the comments and let me know what you guys are going to be for Halloween also in the comments. Definitely download the Snaplook app so you can go vote on posts and vote on which one was your favorite from this video, and I'll see you later. Bye!